Hello D-traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tichina. The Japanese yen rose today, while the Aussie softened as the trade conflict escalated. The US-China trade conflict escalated on Friday after the tariffs on the Chinese goods were hiked. Beijing promised to respond. Basically, trade talks got to the deal end, reminding the Brexit story. In this case, the market will be in motion for a while and then calm down. Meanwhile, the week's volatility index shows a decrease in concerns. This week, the volatility is likely to rise amid the news regarding trade talks. However, there will not be any collapse. The news broke on Saturday that Donald Trump increased tariffs on China's imports for an amount of $300 billion. They probably will hear about some developments in this situation today. Escalation of the trade conflict affected the Australian currency. The AUD USD pair lost 0.3% in the Asian trade and touched 0.6971. The Aussies declined below 0.6960 may indicate the further downward movement to January's lows. Apart from trade risks, the Australian dollar is wound down by the dovish comments by the Reserve Bank of Australia. The USD JPY pair is still in a downtrend, however, a correction may occur. The yen slightly firmed and the pair finished the Asian session today at 109.73, a bit below Friday's closing level. The greenbacks index remains near its 3-month low, where it dropped last week. As there was no major movement in the Asian trade, the US dollar index lost not much and finished the session around 97.32. It is likely to keep on falling as geopolitical news may add some pressure on the index. A number of important statistical reports is due this week, considering optimism of the Fed's ahead and minor prospects for the interest rate to be boosted this year. The statistics should improve risk appetite and the greenbacks positions. You are watching market news on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tichina. We wish you profitable deals.